What is temperate forest? Temperate forests, mostly common known as temperature deciduous forests, are located in the middle latitude. They are found between the polar areas and the tropics. The deciduous temperate forests are exposed to warm and air masses, which cause this area to have four seasons.
What is the importance of the temperate forest? The temperate deciduous forest is important to the world because of all its biodiversity. This biome is home to a variety of species of plants. Many of the trees in this biome are used for lumber to make up houses and buildings. If we didn't have this forest, it would be more difficult for us, humans, to build buildings.
How biotic factors relate the type of organism living in the temperate deciduous forest. Biotic factors are those that are not living but which still have an impact of the biome. In this temperature, the deciduous forest, everything from the smallest plant to the largest berry flies on this forest. For example, strong winds fell branches and trees, beginning the decomposition process that are returns nutrients captured in the plants back to the soil.
Water is non-living and plants and animals rely on it for survival. Whether falling on the forest plants as rain or drank by animals from a pond or slow-moving stream, life in the forest will not be able to survive without it. Temperature plays a key role in the balance of the deciduous forest. Warm spring months ease the plants and animals back to life, encouraging animal reproduction with the development of new leaves and plants.
Plants need light to survive. It's the basic building block of life that has formed much of the structure of the deciduous forest. Trees are encouraged to grow tall. The taller is a tree, the more sunlight is available to the leaves of the canopy.
What is the pattern of temperature and precipitation in the temperate forest? The temperature stands from minus 30 degrees to 31 degrees, and the yearly average is 10 degrees. Hot summer and cold winters predominate, and the precipitation is usually from 750 to 500 millimeters per the rainy years. What plants and animals are found in the temperate forest? Temperate deciduous forest has a variety of plant species. Most have three levels of plants: lichens, moss, ferns, wildflowers, and another little species of plant.
Shrubs fall in the middle level and hardwood trees like maple, oak, and birch, made up third level. Conifers like spruce, fir, and pine trees can also be found mixed with the hardwood trees in this biome. Sometimes the taiga and temperature of the deciduous forest can overlap.
There is a great diversity of life in this biome. Insects, spiders, frogs, turtles, and salamanders are common. Birds like broad-winged hawks, cardinals, snowy owls, and painted woodpeckers are found in the biomes. Mammals include white-tailed deer, raccoons, and red fox.
Animals that live in the temperate deciduous forest must be able to adapt to the changing seasons. Some animals in this biome migrate or hibernate in the winter.
Where is the temperate forest found in Mexico? The temperate Mexican forests are located mainly in the north of the country, near the region of Baja California, in the North Mountain Range in Oaxaca, the volcanic axis to the south of Chiapas, and in the eastern and western Mother Sierras. In this way, this type of forest occupies approximately 3,000 square kilometers. That is to say, more than 15% of the territory of the country.
What pollutants are involved in the temperate forests? Human industry is usually involved in the water and air pollution. Water pollution, according to the World Wildlife Fund, has been threatening the deciduous forests of the northeast China plain, while the substantial ecosystems of America's Great Smoky Mountain National Parks have experienced air pollution from population centers well away from the park's forests themselves.
Endangered species. Deciduous forests are one of the most popular heavily biomes on Earth. Human presence in the forest has caused for many native species to be endangered.
The giant panda is one of the most reproducible and endangered species on Earth. The panda is native to the deciduous forests of China, Myanmar, and Vietnam. Over time, increasing human populations have pushed back the habitat environment for the panda, and the species only can be found today in 20 small patches of forest at the western edge of its historical range.
The gray wolf, which once ranged from the east coast of America to the west and the south of Mexico, now has a population of only 5,000 in the lower 48 states, mostly in the Rocky Mountains.
The red-crowned crane is a bird that is native to Japan, Korea, and eastern China. Agricultural expansion and deforestation in these areas have removed a great deal of the marshes and forests that the crane's primary habitat.